Exciting news from Samsung. You can now reserve their hot new flagship Galaxy smartphones in India before they hit the global stage on January 17th. To secure your spot in the Galaxy S24 lineup, all you need to do is pay a token amount of 2,000 rupees on Samsung's website, Samsung exclusive stores, Amazon.in, or your favorite retail store. But here's the exciting part. Samsung is feeling extra generous. If you pre-reserve, you'll receive benefits worth up to 5,000 rupees. That's an offer you definitely don't want to miss. And there's more. Pre-reserve customers will also enjoy early access and exclusive offers when they decide to purchase the new Galaxy devices. Samsung is going all out to make their fans happy, promising groundbreaking innovation and aiming to reaffirm their leadership in the industry. So, mark your calendars for January 17th, and don't miss the big reveal at Galaxy Unpacked in San Jose, California. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might feature a swanky new titanium build for that extra smartphone flair. This is just the beginning, so stay tuned for more exciting updates. Cell phone rocket.